Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. Today we will be learning how to add and subtract decimals. Let's dive on in. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to add and subtract multi-digit decimals. The Common Core State Standard today is 6 NSB3. First, we need to know how we should add and subtract decimals. The first step is to stack the numbers by lining up the decimal points. You'll see in the example 2.3 plus 1.45, we've lined up the decimal points, and then we've arranged the digits around the decimal points. Next, we need to fill in any empty spaces after the decimal points with zeros. So you'll notice that next to 2.3 we added a 0, so now it's 2.30. At this point, we need to carry down the decimal point, and then we add or subtract as we would with whole numbers. So 2.3 plus 1.45 becomes 3.75. For example number 1, we will need to evaluate 6.411 plus 5.8. First, we'll need to use the decimal points to line up the numbers, and then fill in any gaps after the decimal point with zeros. Next, we'll carry down the decimal point and then add normally. So using the decimal points, we have 6.411 plus 5.8, and notice that the decimal points are lined up one on top of the other. Next, on 5.8, we fill in the two missing places with zeros. Then we carry the decimal point down, and we add. And our total is 12.211. For example number 2, we will be evaluating the expression 13.66 minus 4.82. Once again, we'll use the decimal points to line up the numbers, and then we'll fill in any gaps after the decimal point with zeros. Next, we'll carry down the decimal point, and finally we will subtract as usual. So using the decimal points to line them up, we have 13.66 minus 4.82. Notice that there are no gaps in the decimal places, so we don't need to fill anything in with any extra zeros. Now we bring down the decimal point, and we subtract normally, and we find that 13.66 minus 4.82 equals 8.84. I decided to switch things up a bit today, and we'll have two real-world examples. So for example number 3, Bella decided to open a lemonade stand last weekend. If she made $12.45 on Saturday and $9.60 on Sunday, how much money did she make in total? We know that in total means addition, so we'll be setting up an addition problem here. Use the decimal point to line up the numbers, carry down the decimal point, and then add as usual. $12.45 plus $9.60 is $22.05. So Bella made a total of $22.05 from her lemonade stand this weekend. Example number 4 will be another real-world example. Taya has been saving up for a new jersey of her favorite football player. The jersey costs $99.95. Taya currently has $62.08 in her wallet. How much more money does Taya need to save in order to buy the jersey? We know that she needs a total of $99.95, and she currently has $62.08 in her wallet, so this is a subtraction problem. The difference will be the amount of money she still needs to save. So we'll start by using the decimal point to line up the digits in the two numbers. Then we'll carry down the decimal point and subtract. $99.95 minus $62.08 is $37.87. Taya needs to save another $37.87 in order to buy the jersey. Today you learned how to add and subtract multi-digit decimals. The Common Core State Standard today was 6 NSB3. Now that you are familiar with these techniques, complete the independent practice problems in your guided notes packet. Then watch the independent practice solutions video to check your work. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'll see you next time.